In this video, we're going to look at the problems on pages 18 to 21 of the 9-1 slides. So we're going to start off with this problem. Solve the equation 2x minus 4y equals 14 if x equals 3. So to do this, we've got 2x minus 4y equals 14, and we know that x equals 3. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in the value of x. So that's 2 times 3 minus 4y equals 14. So that's 6 minus 4y equals 14. Well, now I'm just going to start solving for y. I can start by subtracting 6 from each side of the equation, which gives me negative 4y equals negative 8, positive 8, sorry. And now I divide both sides by negative 4, which gives me a y on the left equals negative 2 on the right. So we have solved this equation because we know the values of both variables. We have a solution 3, negative 2. Moving on. This problem on page 19, I think the next problem is on 19. Come on, there we go. Okay, so we're given the equation x equals 6, and we want to complete the ordered pairs blank 2, blank negative 3, and blank 1. Okay, well, this is a really easy one, because when x equals 6, then any point on the line has an x coordinate of 6. So if we know that the y coordinate is 2, well, the x coordinate is 6. And if the y coordinate is negative 3, then the x coordinate is 6. And if the y coordinate is 1, then the x coordinate is still 6. That's it. That's a nice, easy one. Next problem. Okay, so now we're getting into something more complicated. We're told that a small business photocopied a report that included 12 black and white pages and 25 color pages. The cost is $23.70. If we let B be the cost of a black and white page and C the cost for a color page, we want to write an equation in two variables. So there are 12 black and white pages, and there are 25 color pages, and the cost is $23.70. So here we go. We know that B is the cost for a black and white page. That's 12 times the cost of a black and white page, which is B, plus 25 times the cost of a color page, which is C, is equal to $23.70. And we would probably just leave out that $sign there, but we don't have to. Finally, one last problem. Last problem asks us, let me bring that up again. The last problem asks us to solve the equation from the previous example, to solve that equation that we just came up with for the cost of the copies that were made. To find the cost for each black and white copy if color copies cost 90 cents each. So that means B is 90 cents or 0.9. Sorry, that's C equals 0.9. Okay, so with C equals 0.9, we've got 12B plus 25 times 0.9 equals 2370. I can break out a calculator and say that 25 times 0.9 is 22.5. So I subtract 22.5 from both sides. And that gives me $1.20 is 12B. So if I divide both sides by 12, I get B equals 0.10 or 10 cents. And that's it. That is all of the problems for this section. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.